By default, the systems will operate in a so-called normal sampling mode, in which they request data from SenSpots every 6 minutes. This is not ideal for performing an installation, so we recommend setting the transmission interval, or this TX interval, to a number closer to 30, or between 30 and 60 seconds. To check the current value, just plot the TX interval, and you can select this crosshairs for show points and just check the current value. You see I have it set to 30. You can adjust this by going up to the device and error update tool, and then just look for the packet generator tab at the top. Enter in the device ID and site ID of the gateway for which you would like to put the system into fast sampling. Enter those parameters here and here. I'm using gateway ending in 0920 in this example. And then just change the transmission interval to whatever is more appropriate. So I'll set it to 60 to get data from SenSpots every 60 seconds. Hit generate. It produces a hex packet. This is a command that it will send over the air to the system to perform the update. I choose numbers 1000 for the packet count. This is the number of commands that will be sent from the USB, and then set the packet interval to 333 to send 3 packets every second. Hit start, and it will start sending this command to adjust the TX interval. You should see the TX interval increase from 30 up to 60. So you see it went from 30 up to 60. Now the whole system should be operating in 60 seconds fast sampling.